welcome back. It's been a long time. Sorry if I keep looking up. It's just I am looking at myself. And girl, I did my hair today, my makeup. I'm getting ready to go to school. So I thought you guys would like to follow me around, see what my typical day at school is. I go to Cal State San Marcos. And yeah, so I'll just bring you along with me today and let's be together today. Together forever. Right now, I'm in a computer lab, just waiting, passing time for my next class. So I'm probably gonna edit for Friday's class. And I just took an exam. I don't think I did well, but we'll see.
Ladies and gentlemen, can I please have your attention? I've just been handed an urgent and horrifying news story. And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
What you doing?
I just jumped with the ball.
Isaac, what you doing?
I just play Roblox. Roblox game.
Where are you? Where are we?
We're our pancakes.
Pancakes?
Yes.
What did you get?
I just get cupcakes.
This one?
Yeah, for cupcakes and this.
Yep.
And this.
Coffee.
And this.
Hi. Oh, it looked terrible. Where I brought Isaac to eat some pancakes after school.
Huh? Hey, what did you do that?
He's a good boy. You're a good boy?
Yes. Only chicken picture.
So I'm making food. I'm making some spaghetti. And I just received a box in the mail, which is like Christmas for me. Actually, I know what it is. It's from Torrid. Let's just see what we got. Okay. What? So that's just the receipt. Good job. So I got this shirt. It has like little eyelashes. It's so cute. Then I got this other shirt. That's actually it's a Selena shirt, which I'm so excited. I got a new purse. It's so cute.
We got purse.
And I got a dress. So I'm gonna open these up and then I'll show you guys what I got.
attacked the institution in captivity.
Hello vlog, I'm back. So today I went, oh look at my earrings, they're cute. Wait, let me pause the TV. Mute. Okay, so I went to the mall today and I got some stuff, and I think you guys want to see what I got. So this is the stuff I got. Oh, bam. I went to Miniso. I love this store. Like a Japanese store. Okay, so from this store I got these almond chocolates, which I thought it would be interesting, maybe different from the Hershey's one. I got the Hello Panda cookies. I love these. I also got the white chocolate ones. And lastly, I got these Pokey Berry chocolate sticks. These were really expensive. They were like $4. But I can't wait to try them out. Okay, from Hot Topic, I got this. Come on, Hot Topic, work with me. I bought this black heart bracelet, like colorful. Focus. So it's each color says it has something to do with it. So red is sexuality, orange is friends, yellow is energy, green is nature, blue is magic, and purple is spirit. And it's just like a string one, and I thought it was pretty cute. And I also got these metallic eyeliners. They were only like, they were $10, yeah. But I thought it would be interesting to try and see how well they work. And last but not least, when I saw this, I was so excited. And if you guys want me to do a look, let's see how many of you guess where this is from. And it's an eyeshadow palette from the movie Beetlejuice. Hey, I'm here. But like, these are the colors. So that's the white one. Afterlife. Starting from here, this is Afterlife, Juno, Dante's Inferno, Lydia, Beetlejuice, Miss Argentina, Shrunken Head, Bio Exorcist, Dark Room, and then in the bottom it's Showtime, Sandworm, and Strange and Unusual. So if you guys want to look with this, let me know down in the comments. When I saw this, I was like, oh my god, this is so cute. It's like the book. So I got that. And then from Target, I just got like random things. Doritos. And I got these hair, skin, and nails gummies. Because I've tried the bear hair, but I mean, they're almost like $33. And these were $14, and I just wanted to see if these were as good as those ones, because Sugar Bear hair gummies are good and they actually did work for me, but they were too expensive, so I want to try these out. And I bought sparkling ice drink in crushed apple. I love these. I'd rather drink this than soda. I just bought 2 of this. And in this bag, toothpaste, cotton swabs. Bought the movie Beetlejuice. It was only $5, so I had to get it, especially now that Halloween's coming. I bought these Simply Balanced fruit strips for when I'm craving something sweet. I bought this USB drive for my graphic design class to save my projects and assignments. And I bought this mouse for my laptop when I want to work on in the program. I bought this book, which I thought was pretty interesting. It's called Find Your Voice, and it's a guided poetry journal for your heart and your arts. And I don't know if you guys heard of the Wreck-It Journal. It's kind of like that. So each page is like something different. Like here it says, pick a song that describes your life. Write down the lyrics and explore how and why they resonate with you. and it has like cool art on the side, and each page is something different. Like this one, it says, envision a night when the sky dusts off everyone's thoughts at the stroke of midnight. Use the page to write a poem about it. Use the facing page to make a collage inspired by this piece. So I thought it was interesting, and it was only like $12, and I want to try it, be more artistic. And I bought some Tylenol, I bought some tree tea oil for my scalp, and last thing I got was this Aveeno 60-second in shower facial for when, like, for the shower. So yeah guys, that's all I got. That's all I got. And if you have any more questions, please let me know in the comments. Sorry, it's loud. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.